Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 需要 need 需要需要 need 我需要幫手 I need help 我需要幫手讀 read 讀 read 我間中喺咖啡廳讀書 I often read a book at a cafe 我間中喺咖啡廳讀書企 stand 企 stand 佢企喺嗰度 He stands over there 佢企喺嗰度失 miss 失 miss 射失目標 miss the target 射失目標入 enter 入 enter 入一間大廈 enter a building 入一間大廈靚 beautiful 靚 beautiful 呢條裙好靚 This dress is beautiful 呢條裙好靚幾點鐘 What time is it 幾點鐘幾點鐘 What time is it 倫敦晏晝嗰陣紐約幾點鐘 What time is it in New York when it is noon in London 倫敦晏晝嗰陣紐約幾點鐘我好好 I'm good 我好好我好好 I'm good 我好好唔使擔心 I'm good no need to worry 我好好唔使擔心好正 awesome 好正好正 awesome 今日天氣好正 Today's weather is awesome 今日天氣好正我鍾意 I like it 我鍾意我鍾意 I like it 我鍾意意大利菜 I like Italian food 我鍾意意大利菜 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say need?需要. And how to say read? 讀. What about stand? 企. Do you remember how to say miss? 塞. Let's try enter. 入. What about beautiful? 靚. Now, let's see if you remember how to say what time is it? 幾點鐘? Another one. What about I'm good? 我好好. Do you remember how to say awesome? 好正. And finally, do you remember how to say I like it? 我鍾意. Well done! See you next time. 再見.